Nagtatabel, nagmamadali na. Tasmanian Devil! Pass basket! Sababe, Tasmanian Devil! Come on! Go! 28, CJ Del Pino kontra Kid Lightning. Magtatapat ngayong finals natin. And number 17 will go pass from the top 5 on the shot clock. Now for CJ Del Pino. The floater, that was a bomb! Del Pino! Get a basket before the buzzer! Here comes the seal. Step back on Del Pino. Bang! Tasmanian Devil! Napakaraming ginagawa na naman ni Del Pino. Bang! Bang! Answer! Sumagot naman, Kid Lightning! 36 seconds. Del Pino drive on the ball of the angle. Here comes Tasmanian Devil! Tasmanian Devil! Kaliwat kanan yan ang Kid Lightning, 3-point shots. Pamatay sunog! For the Kid Lightning! Yes! Will! Palakpakan naman mga Tawi reporters! Valdez, Florida! Jam between Malik. Here go for the Tikas Kapampangan. Unang atake dito ng ating Tikas, Estelilio. Pass to Miko, the hook shot! Coming for two! Miko Santos! Nagmamadali na! Tasmanian Devil! Pass basket! The winning hand by CJ Del Pino. The pass, here comes Miko now. Yes sir, back from Miko Santos. For his finals, pouring down shot block. Now by Pick Manuel, Mike Mabulak, basket for two. Pakisuya yung flash na 30 on the game clock. Back for the Donna. Fine! Malafield! Open over. Naman ngayon yung magpapababa. King on the mob! Uroge versus King. The intercommercial na nangyayari. Na magandang laban. Number 4. Lancer Young, this is another. Here comes Sababe. The Tasmanian Devil! Come on! Go! Ito na naman! Yung ating Tasmanian Devil! Ng backpack from Mike Mabulaga! Patatagan na yung laban natin dito. CJ Del Pino! Goes out! Backpack to Chappelle! 150,000. But again, CJ Del Pino. CJ plays with the Michael Mabulak. Mabulak rolling down. Another fire from the outside. Don't come out on him. You'll be ready, Muscle Man. 6-4 now. It's a 12-point lead. Maagang kalamangan para dyan sa ating Dana. Open the Kid Lightning. Best of Papian! Pass to the Kid Lightning. Blind pass as is alley-oop. Control down by Malik and the steal. Dinalangatan ng doon ito si Malik. And Reds Victoria get that loader. Using the glass, 4:28 on the game clock. Here comes that by Mick Manuel. Open again from 3. Bang! Back to back from 3. Nakapak, ito na. 99, balik sa double goal. What a steal. Mark Mabulak. Come on, and 12. Freshman from the Tigas. Pagmamadala na Kid Lightning. Bumarado dito kay Diop. There's a foul. Now we're in rebound. Now on red. Stop it. Another steal. And the Muscle Man. And Bumatot Manuel. Hey. Basket. All out. Malik the open back from the Tigas. Extra drop. Extra. 24-11. Now number 6. Michael Mabulak. There's a foul. Player from UP. A 2 out of 2. Back, rebound on Miko, pass to push that tip from the Tikas. Take back. Hey, that is a basket goal interference. 13 down. Now on Big Manuel, the post. Naghahanap ng mismatch. Big Manuel supporting dito. And the king of the north, Michael Wigo. Got the putback. 50 seconds, 28-30 is the score. Lumobo na naman yung kalamangan dito ng ating Darna. Here comes the screen. Now the Jake 3. Bang! 40 seconds. 5 seconds on the game clock. Formera, pass through. Diop, release, pull up basket. The baseline before the buzzer. Out of the first corner, scores 20, rather 30-16. It's a Ojula rebound. Now to Jay, to 3. Bang! Woo! Damabalangat MVP Jay Rivera for that 3. Rivera now by Kobe Dalisay. Again, rebound on Malak! Oh, what a strong! Kid Lightning to Jade. That baby hook, no good. Now, I have to see Evan Ojula. And perfect and 1. Here comes Ababiko. Zigzag. Nice pass, Pumay. How about Ojula. King Ortiza. The goal from the long two. Yes, sir. Basket count, 7-20. Diop recovered 10 on the shot clock. Tasmanian Devil on the board. Board. Ryan Lewis once again. That's too low. It's a 9 points, Kid Lightning bomb! Oh, what the bomb! The Kid Lightning! Bumawi! Nakalusog to Kid Block Jumble! 5:58 on the game clock. Second quarter pa naman tayo. Nagkardisa from 3, bang! It's a hometown pound! Hey, Paul Mara back at 10 points! Then how about Nico? Jump on Ojula. Ojula getting the basket. Bumawi. Emmanuel Ojula. 28. CJ Del Pino kontra Kid Lightning. Magtatapat ngayong finals natin. And number 17 will go pass from the top 5 on the shot clock. Now 4. CJ Del Pino. The floater. That was a bomb. Del Pino. Get a basket before the buzzer. Del Pino. Delpino drive on the ball of the angle. Walang takot ng batang to. Kaya tignan nyo naman, oh, okay ka lang, Delpino? Delpino. Yes, wait. Jade pass through. Emmanuel Ojula. Kalaban dito yung dalawang muscle man ng Darna. Here comes now by Michael Wigo. Trying to close the number behind the back. Michael Wigo passed it to number 10. And the ball by Ryan Reyes. Ball across by Wigo to Ryan Reyes. 13 down shot clock. 3-point shots. Bingo! 3 points only. That is a 2 points by the ref. He's jumping on the line. That is only a 2 points. 33-44 score nothing. 3:40 on the game clock in the second quarter. Now on CJ Del Pino. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Del Pino get a screen. Besto the muscle man. Lumabas yung tira. Suportado the junior muscle man. Hindi pumasok yung tira ni muscle man. The junior muscle man naman. 30 down shot clock natin. CJ Del Pino. To the muscle man, Big Manuel. Kaboom! 3:49, CJ Del Pino. Once again, now to the Super MVP, Justin Bautista. The Delta connection. Now it's a 19-point lead. It's a foul by the Muscle Man. And that's a split on the... Now from downtown, the King Arthur. Pass over to the Oyer. Outlet pass, Miko, the give and go. Yes, for two. With it. On the second quarter, here comes the seal. Step back on Delpino. Bang! Tasmanian Devil! Napakaraming ginagawa na naman ni Delfino. Bang bang answer! Sumagot naman, keep like time. 36 seconds. Right there. Natawa na lang siya doon. They're now by number 15. Mark Yu. Assist Paolo and a bullet from the cutter. What a pass on Malik Dio. Number 44. Here now by Lancer. Pass to the hook on Miko Santos. Number 15, Mark Yu. What the ball! Nakakasot bigla. Wala para. 40 seconds shot block. And Ojula. Ginigiba na yung depensa nito ni Mr. Wait for. That's out of 2 substitution. Dito ng ating tigas. Kid Lightning. Pass to Miko Santos. Pass on the board. Easy. Down now. Kid Lightning throws to Ojula. To number 4. Nice set from Trey Papian Panda. CJ Delpino. Pass to Big Manuel. Challenging by Miko. 10 down. Here comes now by the Muscle Man on the board. Person's good. 2 out of 2 para Estelilla. Estelilla hahanap ng butas. What the best! Get the basket! 6 and 4 Reyes. Double, throw, get lightning. Jump, and out, 2 out of 1. Edmund, good for 2. 6 minutes on the game clock. Lay down 9. Lay down to 9. The hot take. King Arthur, stop and pump. Miss basket. Rebound, Ryan Reyes. Now Walter Khan. Outlet pass. And Miko pass through. Jared Pabian. Yes, sir. What an execution. Ituloy yung momentum nila para mabababa. Kid Lightning. That's a 3. Offensive rebound. And Miko now to Lancer. Agis ulit. Bang. SK Watnoy, paging SK Watnoy. 5-10. Here comes Big Manuel, trying to build. Get well, foul. Grabe yun. 2 out of 2 or for Big Manuel. 15-second shot clock. Pabian magmamaneho. Against by Ryan Reyes, full speed. Ojula, ball out on his hand. And now the push. From down na, DJ to Ryan Reyes. Reyes drive, nakalasal. Basket for 2. The junior Muscleman. Lead up again and then Miko the head time. Yes, sir. Six Ojula per second motion. Warning, Ojula per second motion. 9:65, it's a 6-point lead. 3-point shot. Bam! Pick and roll. Woo! We'd have again at 9 points. 15 down, shot block. 10 down. We're now by the naughty boy. Stop. Miss. Rebound. CJ Delpino. Turn speed. Down the ladder. Delpino. The King Arthur open. Bang. Woo! Gomez. Now on key, however, screen by Miko. Gomez from 3. Look at big rebound by the King Arthur. Here now by Key Cortisa. The basket. 2 minutes. Good up again. Double post. That's a foul. First line. It's good. Give him goal save. The roll from the corner. Good for 2 on Gomez. Nabawi niya yung dalawang free throw for that good. 15 seconds. Cortisa drive, hand time, contact. I think ang muli ng 11. Tignan natin first throw. Cortisa made. Gil Gomez. Crossing down into Renz. Victoria. Open. Gomez. Airball. And one. Gets lead. Recover by Key. Cortisa pull up jumper. Flop. Basket for 2. Shot back level up. Clock down. Ito na CJ from the top on 3. And that was the end of the third quarter. It's a 63-77, 14-point lead. Our Intercommercial Championship fourth quarter. Manuel dilaglag lang yung basket. The muscle man. The one-handle. 79-63. Kid Lightning 3-point shots. Pamatay sunog. For the Kid Lightning. Down at 13. Shot like a 4-inch shape. Pass to Manuel. Powering. The muscle man. 5 straight. Rivera. Right about rudder. Estelina. 10 down shot block. Reds. Check. Steal. For the gunner. Here comes the Tasmanian Devil. Tasmanian Devil. Kaliwat kanan niya ng CJ Del Pino. Makakatakas naman doon si Renz Victoria. Magulak. Bumulot ng bola. Back from Darna. 15 down. Shot clock. Big Manuel call a screen. And now for a mismatch. Step back. Launches. Target. And the lucky bounce by Big Manuel. Now it's a 20-point lead. Check go. Let's go. Come out. Fronting us. And now by Lancer Khan attacking the big man. Lumusot naman. Matapang din ito si Lancer Khan. Here comes Del Pino. Del Pino attack. Pass to Michael Mabulak. Sarado rin ang 20 ang laban. Jerry Popian. Reading space. Pass to Jake the Snake Munoz. Here comes Jake. Block! Huli! The Black Bamboo! Replacing na dito using the clock. 10 down shot clock. JJ Del Pino. The deadly isolation by Tasmanian Devil. 1 second. 23. Cortisa. Jake. Pinabayaan na. Formera. And another cool down to attack to melt the clock. 5-second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. This last minute is brought to you by Happy Fiesta Barangay Vandas. 16 points from under last 2 minutes. Nico Santos, bang bang 3. 150. 79-92. That was a 13-point lead. 10-second shot clock. Middle inside now to Malik. Five down for Tisa. Dadagdagan pa. And this is an almost finish. Business for the Darna. 125. Sable, steal. And Checo. 110 on the game clock. And this is almost gone. 10 down shot clock. Congratulations, our Intercommercial Eldest Champion, Yaller